Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming products, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the Shpaver 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit. In this video, we will delve into the unique features of each product, examining their strengths and weaknesses. The OneBlade 360 Pro is designed for precision shaving and trimming, while the Shpaver Kit offers a comprehensive grooming solution for all your needs. Let's find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is priced at $57, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a quality grooming tool. In contrast, the Shpaver 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit comes in at $99.99, which reflects its extensive range of features and attachments. While the OneBlade offers great value for its specialized function, the Shpaver Kit provides a comprehensive solution for various grooming needs, justifying its higher price. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is designed specifically for facial hair, offering a hybrid shaving and trimming experience with its innovative 360-blade technology. It excels in providing a close and comfortable shave without skin irritation. On the other hand, the Shpaver 17PC Kit is a versatile grooming solution that includes multiple tools for hair, beard, body, and nose grooming. This makes it a great choice for users looking for an all-in-one kit that can handle various grooming tasks. While the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro focuses on precision and comfort for facial hair grooming, it lacks the versatility of the Shpaver 17PC Kit. The Shpaver Kit includes a variety of attachments for different grooming needs, making it suitable for full-body grooming. This versatility is a significant advantage for users who want a single device that can handle multiple grooming tasks without the need for additional tools. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the Shpaver 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit have their unique strengths. If you're looking for a specialized tool for facial grooming, the OneBlade is an excellent choice. However, if you require a comprehensive grooming solution that covers all aspects of personal care, the Shpaver Kit is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.